Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here today. We're diving into another exciting word to help you expand your English vocabulary. The word of the day is annually, a B2 level adverb that means once every year. Let's unpack this word together and see how it works in everyday life. So, what does annually mean? Simply put, it describes something that happens once every year. For example, you might pay a membership fee annually, meaning you pay it once every 12 months. It's a handy word to talk about things that are part of a yearly schedule. Now, let's look at some synonyms for annually. A good synonym is yearly. For instance, the company holds a yearly meeting to review its progress. Another synonym is per year. You could say, the budget is calculated per year to manage expenses. Each of these phrases can replace annually in the right context. On the other hand, let's explore some antonyms. The opposite of annually would be words like daily or monthly. For example, this magazine is published monthly, not annually. Another antonym could be weekly. You might say, I get paid weekly, but I prefer annually for bonuses. Let's talk about how we use annually in daily life. Think about events like birthdays, holidays, or anniversaries. These are all things that happen annually. You might also use annually when discussing reports, subscriptions, or routines. For example, we take a family vacation annually to reconnect and relax. Here are a few sentences using annually to help you understand it better. The school organizes a festival annually, and it's always a big hit. Taxes must be filed annually in most countries. Our neighborhood association meets annually to discuss improvements. That's all for today's word, annually. To sum up, it means something that happens once every year. You can use synonyms like yearly or per year, and its antonyms include daily, weekly, or monthly. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps others discover the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using annually and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and have a fantastic day.